All right, we'll see if we can't get this image a little better. I was about to go to bed and I noticed that the moon had popped up over the horizon. So I was just looking at it through my scope, and I had a different eyepiece in a little bit ago. And I switched to this one, and I said, you know what? I'm going live on YouTube. Get her focused in, and then I was gonna point out that you can see the waters above when you look at the moon. It's just a little too bright. I wish they could, maybe I can change that. Let's see. No flash. Sorry it's so shaky. Just give me a minute. I guess there's no, yeah, there's no way I can, whoops, I almost, how do I, okay, there we go. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna show you a different eyepiece in a little bit, and we can zoom way in further. Way further. All right, I'll quit messing with it for a little while. It's a beautiful night. Stars everywhere. And of course, your occasional Starlink littering the sky, littering God's clock with satellites. Weirdos. I think I just saw a bird flying or something. So there's this view. That's zoomed all the way out. And it's, I can't change the exposure. Otherwise it might look a little better. I could put a filter on it, but I'm gonna switch to the other eyepiece just to show you the difference in the two. Let's see, I gotta get it set up really quick. I'll show you what the, even though no one's watching, I'll show you what the zoom does, or the other eyepiece when I zoom it in. So taking this out of the scope right now, and I can show you the moon from my point of view. There it is. It's not very focused there. Oh, am I zoomed in? There we go, I'm zoomed out now. There's, can't even see it. There's Mars right up there somewhere. Yeah, I can't even see it with this. So I will put the other eyepiece in after I set this one in here somehow. It's really dark out. All right, here is the other one. Let's see if we can get her. I just got to get it lined up, so that's why you're seeing that right now. All right, should be about there. Let's see what we see when we look in here now. Ooh, I gotta do a little adjustment here. Oh, I see. There we go. I'll have to focus it yet. And there we go. That's a little better. All right, that's all the way zoomed out. we can zoom way in. It's gonna get a little grainy. It's just my iPhone 6S, but it's pretty cool to just kind of be able to see it up closer. Oops. Pretty grainy. Let me go out just a little bit. There we go. My scope, see how it moves when I focus it? All right, now. Okay, that's zoomed in pretty far. Can't even really tell what we're looking at, huh? That's a little better. All right. I'll leave it there for a minute so it can stop wobbling. That's pretty bad. Pretty bad image there. It's not the best, but. So then I can do this. Let me show you what else I can do with this eyepiece. It's adjustable, so I can change it to that, wherever the moon went. Yeah, it's not lined up in there very, very swell. So then we could zoom in on that. But so that eyepiece is kind of it's not as nice, but there it is. I wonder if we should try to look at Mars. It would be hard to find it though. Actually, we'll look at Mars. We'll look at Mars since it's right there. I'm gonna switch it back. I know I keep switching things. Switching it back to the other eyepiece. The nice one. All right. There we go. And then we'll try to find Mars here. I don't think it should be that hard, but I'll have to, this is my nicest eyepiece that I have. So I gotta look in my spotting scope and see where we're at. We're not even on there. Am I not looking in it? Oh, there it is. Okay, we should be able to find Mars. So give me a second. It'll take a minute to get there, but I will find it. Let's see. Go up like that. Where are you, Mars? Down. Oh, there it is. Let's see here. Should be right there. I think. Somewhere there. It's always so much. Oh, I think I saw it. Is that it? I don't think that's it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that's not it. It is close by, though. It is right, like, more like there. Did I just see it? Is that same one? I can't tell. Let me see. No, that's not it. Okay, give me a minute. Should be... It should be on the screen right now, I think. It's always so much harder than it seems. It's right there somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it is. We'll zoom in and focus on it. There's Mars. And this is, remember, this is just my iPhone, so don't expect anything too spectacular. I'll have to get the remote. Whoops, wrong way. There we go. Mars is boring. Very boring. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, Mars is boring. And it's really not a good shot of Mars either. There's a little star by it, it looks like. I never noticed that before. It's totally out of focus. I never noticed there was a little star right there. Jupiter and Saturn are way too far to see. So let's go back to the moon. Let's see if I can just find it with the quickness. Alright. Where are you, moon? There you are. Somewhere there. Did we see it? No? Oh, I gotta zoom out. Okay, let's see here. Should be right here somewhere. There it is. It's too bright, but it's not that bad. I just had to take a video of it because it was pretty cool looking. Pretty much exactly half lit. And yes, it's its own light. People say on the bottom there, see those shadows? You can call them shadows, but the moon gets its light, like, it gets filled with light. The moon does. It gets filled with light for the first 14 days of the lunar month, and then it gets emptied out for the next 14 days. That's why we have full moon, and then it goes like this, and then it'll go down to nothing, which is the new moon, and then it'll go back again. So there we are. I'm just gonna leave it tracking for a little while and see if it wanders or whatever. It's nice there's no bugs out here. It's like cool enough that the bugs aren't bugging me. I felt one mosquito and he was pretty slow. Alright, I think I'm actually gonna go live on Facebook for a few minutes just for fun. So I'm out of here, guys. Have a good night.